In this video, I'll show you how to fix a common issue in Google Chrome when your search engine suddenly changes to Yahoo. If you want to switch it back to Google or another search engine, I'll guide you through each step. Let's start by opening Google Chrome. In the top right corner of the browser, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu button. Click on it once. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look at the list on the left side of your screen. Click on the one that says Search Engine. Now, on the right side, look for the section that says Search Engine Used in the address bar. You will see a drop-down menu there. If it shows Yahoo, that means Yahoo is currently set as your default search engine. Click on the drop-down menu. You'll see other options like Google, Bing, or maybe others depending on what's been added before. Go ahead and select Google or any other search engine you prefer. Once you click it, Chrome will start using that search engine from now on. Now, let's make sure Yahoo or any unwanted search engines don't keep coming back. Under the same Search Engine section, look for a button that says Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Click on it. You'll now see a list of all the search engines saved in your browser. Next to each search engine, you'll see 3 dots on the right side. These dots open a small menu for that search engine. If you see Yahoo in this list and you don't want it there, click the 3 dots next to it and choose Delete. This will remove Yahoo from your list of available search engines. Repeat this for any other search engine you don't want to keep. Once you're done, you can close the Settings tab. That's it. Your search engine is now back to normal, and you've also cleaned up any extras you didn't need. Thanks for watching.